Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. This is going to be board system test 47 with the Lite MS-5UD fire alarm system. So let's go ahead and get started. For first notification appliance, we have a wheel-lock remote strobe, and this device is set on 30 candela. Unfortunately, I do not have the model number for this device. We still have the system sensor CO1224T carbon monoxide detector. Nothing has changed with that. If we file the conduit up, brings us to a system sensor 5601-P heat detector. For second notification appliance, we have a wheel-lock HSR exceeder horn strobe. This device is set on 95 candela and will be doing code 3. We still have the Lite 8080 fire alarm annunciator. Nothing has changed with that, and the system is normal. If we move down, we still have the system sensor RTS2 key test station, and that connects up to my duct detector. For our pull stations in today's test, we have two pull stations. On the left, we have the Silent PSDATK dual action pull station, and on the right, we have an Edwards 279B-1120. Now, this pull station was here from last test. I decided to keep it for this test, and it will be replaced in the next system test. If we move down, we still have the system sensor D4120 duct detector, and that is connected to my system sensor RTS2 key test station. Alright, to start off today's test, I'm going to go ahead and pull the Silent Night dual action pull station. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And the alarm is silenced. And the strobes will continue to flash, while this one will continue to flash. The exceeder is 2-wire, so it does not. For our next test today, I'm going to go ahead and activate this heat detector by just using a hair dryer. So here we go. And the alarm is silenced. I will now go ahead and reset the pull station. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my key. I'm going to turn it. I'm going to lift the handle back up. There's the inside. Here's the model number. Alright, now that is closed back up and locked back up. And again, because we do have audible silence, the strobes will continue to flash. And I'm now going to go into the main fire alarm control panel, and I'm going to go ahead and hit system reset. We haven't tested the duct detector in quite a while, so I figured we'd go ahead and test that today. So to test it, all I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this key to sensor 1, and I'm going to hold down the button. Here we go. Now that switch is reset. So obviously all I did was, when this was an alarm, I just hit this button and then turn the key back. Now usually with these switches, there usually would not be a key in it, but because this is just a demo system, I leave the key in it. But technically, you know, these would be mounted on a wall. They would not have the key in it, except, you know, sometimes if they're on the ceiling and people can't really reach them. So it makes it a lot easier when testing duct smoke detectors, because again, you'd have to use smoke can. In some cases, I know sometimes people will do that, but for my purpose of doing this, I just use the test station. So, and again, strobes will continue to flash. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit system reset. Alright, to finish off today's test, I'm going to go ahead and pull the Edwards Siga. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. The alarm is silenced. I will now go ahead and reset the pull station. I'm going to go ahead and reset it with my Cat 45 key. I'm going to lift this handle back up, push that down, push the switch down. Now I'm going to close back into place and lock it up just like that. Now I'm going to go into the main fire alarm control panel and hit system reset. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to rate, comment, subscribe, and have a great day. And I will see you in the next video.